and it makes the weirdest noise when it flips upside down and crashes. So here we have on Sunday afternoon. It was a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Melbourne.
It was
autumn
beautiful.
day. It was what, mid-20s or something, or early 20s. Really nice. And I thought we'd take the cars out for a run. So we took the Comical out, which is in the cabinet. Will come down with a few of his old cars, and we thrashed about and got in the way of the fast guys.
That's it.
And
Marlon was there too.
Marlon was there too with his lunchbox.
Just keeps going. It keeps going.
He loves that thing, doesn't he? And for very good reason. I don't like it. It hasn't broken, and it makes the weirdest noise when it flips upside down and crashes. Because it's got the ABS body. It just bang. It's a real solid noise, not like the polycarbonates and stuff. It's just got no give, but just bounces back, gets back on its wheels, and off
it goes around the track. No problem.
So the very first time we had this out, I don't know if you guys have been watching the build that I did on this, and me and BJ painted this one together. And the first time I took it out with the factory tires, I actually couldn't go around the track very well.
Stiff.
They were just too stiff
spiky.
and would not. And I was quite disappointed. It was good fun in the pits and on the road, but on the track itself, it just would not hook up.
No.
So I've got myself some hex adapters.
Yep. The Hearns Workshop ones.
The Hearns Workshop 3D printed hex adapters.
Yep.
Screwed them on and screwed on some direct. These are hot race tires.
Yep.
These are Bangkok Super Softs.
Yep. We go on the overhead.
Yep, we can do that. And we've got, you can see here, I haven't cleaned it or anything. So, where are we? We've lost it.
That's it.
That's it. I can see it.
There we go.
So that is a hot race super soft tire.
Yep.
And that works so well. I mean, it's only a 540, and it's only just a basher style 9 steps racing.
Yep.
Lipo in there.
Yep.
It's got one of our 9-step speed controllers.
Yep.
And it just dominated the track, didn't it?
It went around. Even Simon drove it around.
Simon Healy was driving. He was lapping people.
Yes.
I won't say who. He was lapping people, and it was just flying around. And that's going to be the limits of this car, and that's exactly what it was intended to do. But it was a pleasure to drive.
Yes.
And that's all you can ask.
That's right.
Doesn't jump like a modern car. It's not going to clear the triples, and nor would you want it to, because if you got it wrong at that speed, you'd probably snap it in half.
That's it.
So I'm not really interested in breaking it. Just taking it around. We didn't change the front tires. The front tires were awesome.
Yeah, it went fine. No problem at all.
They don't look much, but they actually worked really well on that track.
Yep.
And the rear tires, they hooked up amazing, these hot race.
Yep.
Even now, they're super sticky still from the oil track.
Yep.
Yeah, and the Hearns Racing Frog was awesome.
Cool.
Just dominated. It was really cool. I'm so proud of it. It did well. It was better than my first ever club race, that's for sure.
Cool, isn't it?
That is really cool. So it bobbed around. We had the Comical out. It was a really good day.
I think sometimes we underestimate some of these guys.
Yeah, absolutely. You don't need to spend squillions to have fun.
Yes.
Okay, lap times, yes. If you're going for that last 10th, you've got to be dialed in. You've got to have good tyres, good motors, good batteries, the rest of it. And you've also got to be a talented driver. But for the rest of us who just want to go out there and have fun, you can have just as much fun with a re-release, with Comical.
Sure.
With a 19, whatever it is, wild one that snaps in half when you drive it.
It snaps in half?
Yeah, snap in half. Back parts are on back order.
Yes. Yes.
Should be doing next week.